Hello children, welcome to the English class. Chapter 1, The Bold Beggar. Children, we have already read this chapter in our previous video. So today we are going to deal with its exercises. The first exercise is choose the correct option. First statement, how many rishis were there in a forest? The correct answer is 2. Who pleaded for a part of Rishi's meal? Answer is a monk. Who is also known as Pran? The answer is Vayu. Now come to the next exercise, that is complete the following statement. For this, children, you have to read the chapter again and you will be completing this exercise on your own. Then come to next exercise, that is true and false. First one is the Rishi worshipped Pran, that is true. The Rishis had just finished their meal when the beggar arrived. This is false. C1 is the beggar was a real fool. This is false. The Rishis gladly shared their food as soon as he arrived. Again, this is false. And the last one is the Brahmachari spoke with great respect to the Rishis. This is true. So, next exercise is match column A with column B. Brahmachari. Brahmachari, an unmarried monk. Rishis were hermits. Vayu, the wind god. Pran, the breath of life. The holy books cannot take you to heaven. Now next one is find the opposite words from the chapter 4. You need to read the chapter again and choose the correct opposite word from the chapters. The first one is died. Children, I am telling you orally the correct answer that you will be doing in your books. The first one is died. So the right answer for the word died is lived. Second is ending. The opposite word is beginning. Old, young. Questioned, answered. Proudly, ashamed. Unknown, well known. Weakly, firmly. Wrong, right. Denied, admitted. Dishonored, honored. Now this exercise completes. Next one is write sentences of your own with the following words. But children, you don't have to do all the words. Only you have to choose any 3 out of these words. You have to find out the meaning from the dictionary and do any 3 sentences in your books. Next exercise is tick the right words in the bracket to complete the sentence. First one is I can't find any butter, but I can find some margarine. Emma has got some old pictures of the house to show us. There aren't any buses on Sunday. Helen brought me some beautiful roses from the garden. There is somebody waiting for you at the reception. So, all the exercise completes here, children. Now, the next one is, what is the next one? Fill the boxes with the past tenses of the given verbs in across and down. So, children, you have to fill all these grids. You can see here like this. This is downward and this is across. And you have to choose the word from the given columns. There are two columns. One is of across column and second one is of down column. But we have to write the past tense of these sentences. First one is see. The past tense for see is saw. Feed, you will be writing fed. Leave, write left. Throw, write threw, THREW, threw. Then love, loved. Draw, drew. And here in column downward, you will be writing first one, write, you will write wrote. Feel, you will write fell, felt, FELT, felt. Fall, fell, FELL, fell. Tear, TORE, tore. Go, went, WENT, went. Do, did, DID, did. Now the next and the last exercise is a thought beyond the text. Goodness and greatness lie not only in praying or worshipping, but in doing good deeds and charity. So you have to tell this is true or false. So according to me, this is true. I'll be writing this is true. This is true. So children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.